Krishna Jagadish.
Yeah, now recording started in this and also live is.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Hare Krishna Vaishnavi. Yes. Thank you so much, kids, for coming up. Now we can.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Who is this? Yeah, do you want to share one by one the sloka?
Yes, Mataji. Vrinda wants to go. Somebody announced, na? Some Vrinda wants to, another Vrinda wants to go.
Yeah, Brinda, go ahead.
I don't know. Maybe this Vrinda will go, Mataji. Nobody is there. Means, Kunti watch. Kaunte vacha.
Namaste Purusham Dadyam Ishvara Prakude Balam Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Antarvayuravastita
Maya Janak.
Maya Janaki Gajana Doksha Samavyayam Nalakshase Muradusha Natondatyara Rodata Tata Parama
Correct.
Tata Paramahamsana Muninanamalantmana Bhakti Yoga Vidadhartam Katam Pashyema Ishriyah Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namah Namah Pankaja Maya Namah Pankaja Maline Namah Pankaja Netraya Namah Pankaja Maline
Namah Pankaja Netraya Namaste
Pankajangrehe
Yata.
Rita Rishikesha Kaleva Devaki Kamsena Narudadi Tarish
Ram.
Churarbita Vibhuti Sama Raja Vibhu Ivanatena Rida Vibhu.
Thank you so much, Brinda. I suggest, how many kids is there? Yeah, Mukunda. Yeah, two person can go. Mukunda and Brinda together. Brinda.
Namaste Purusham Twadam Ishvara Prakate Param Nastyam Sarvabhutanam Antirbahir Avasthitam Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namah Namo Pangja Janabaya Namo
Hare Krishna.
Namo Pankaj Namo Pankaj Nitraya Namo Namaste Pankajam Yahe.
Thank you, Brinda. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Want to go next?
Mataji, can Haridas go?
Haridas, go ahead, Haridas. Go ahead.
Namaste Kunti Vacha Namaste Purusham Karyam Ishwaram Prakrite Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam Antarbahir Avasthitam Maya Javana Kashanam Kanya Doksha Samavyayam Nalaksha Mudadisha Nata Daroyata Tata Paramahamsana Namaladnana Bhakti Yoga Vidhanata Katam Pasya Krishna Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopal Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namo Pankajamaline Namo Pankaja Netraya Namo Pankajamine Kesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Ruddhatitam Sucharpita Vimorchitaham Chasamat Vibho Twayaiva Natena Muhur Vipadganat. Thank you, Mataji. Andy wants to go.
Yes, go ahead.
नमस्ते माता जी को परम प्रतते परम क्या कहेगा ये माता जी की सर्वभूतानां अंतर्बाह्यवस्थितः माया न लक्ष्य से भूत दिशा न तो नात्योदरो यथा तथा परम हंसानां मुनीनां मलात्मनां भक्ति योग विधानार्थं कथं फोन नंबर को फोटो कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय नंदनाय च नंद गोपाल कुमाराय नमो नमः नमो पंकज नाभाय नमो पंकज जमालिने नमो पंकज दिव्याय नमस्ते पंकजांग्रिये यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेन उदाति चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहत्मचा विभो तयेव नाथेन मुहुर्विपग्धना. Thank you, Mataji.
Who is this? Who is this? I did.
Tanvi.
Oh, you did very nice, Sanvi. Very nice. Who want to go next?
Me, Satwik.
Satwik.
I want to go. Can I go?
Who is this? Satwik, and then who is this? Yeah, Satwik. Yeah, Nitai. Yeah, Satwik and Nitai. Yeah.
Kunti Vachalam Shakushan Twatai Shivan Patipe Allocation Modation Bade Alkista Antabaya Vistita Maya Jenny Kachana Agda Joksa Adoy Narration Modation Tayo Yata Tata Palana Hamsana Wina Amala Mana Ati Yoga Vedanta Pashune Histriya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Nanda Gopal Kumaraya Govinda Namo Namaha Nama Pankacha Maya Nama Namine Nama Bhakticha Netraya Namaste Pankacha Agrine Yata Vishikesha Falan Na Devaki Samsena Duta Achicharam Sut Atta. Thank you, Marji.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna Masati, this is Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Krishna Chaitanya. Go ahead. Krishna Chaitanya, you can go ahead.
Okay, Masati. Namashye Purusham Tvadyam Ishvaram Prakrite Param Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Antirbahiravastitam Maya Javanika Chandam Agnyadosajam Avyayam Nalakshase Mura Drisha Tato Natyadharo Yata Tata Paramahamsana Muninam Amalatmana Bhakti Yoga Vidhanatam Katam Pashyena Hi Striya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Tata Paramahamsana Muninam Amalatmana Nama Pankaja Nabhaya Nama Pankaja Maline Nama Pankaja Nebhaya Namaste Pankajangraye Yata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Tichiram Sukarpita Vimochitaham Cha Sahatmaja Vivo Vayaiva Natena Muhur Vipalghanat.
Very nice, Krishna Chaitanya. I think Nitai want to go. Nitai, I can take 2 kids, you know, to share the Nitai.
Can Jagannath go?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Nitai want to go Mataji first and then Jagannath.
Okay, okay, ma.
Namaste Prasanta Ifram Pakate Arasa Kutana Anta Bahe Vasita Madana Casa Atna Dasa Ave Hase Kuta Sahnata Ayota Kata Parahansan Kunirada Sama Adanatam Katampa Mahisia Kas Deva here Devaki Nandanai Nanda Gopama not going to no more Nava Pankasa Nabaya Namo Pankasa Malin Namo Pankasa Taya Namaste Gazangre Kata Yesa Kalena Devaki Kamse Haruta Chichira Sapita Haraha Bo Haya Nana Bahari Pakwanar. Hare Krishna Mataji, can Prathamesh go?
Yes, very nice, Nitai. Jagannath want to go and then Prathamesh. Yes, Prathamesh, after you do the, yeah, Jagannath and Prathamesh, you after Sloka, I will request you to summarize all the Sloka, what you read. You can be prepared for that. 2 kids I'll take today. Yeah, Jagannath, not after all the Sloka recitation, you can also prepare for that. Go ahead, Jagannath.
Kunti Avacha Namaste Purusham Twadhyam Ishwaram Prakite Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam Antarbahiravastitam Maya Javanikachanam Agdokshajamavyayam Nalakshashe Mudadrisha Nato Natyadaro Yada Tata Paramahamsanam Muninam Amalatmanam Bhakti Yoga Vidanatam Tatam Pashe Mahistriya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Nama Pankajanabhaya Nama Pankajamaline Nama Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangri Yata Hirishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Ruddhati Chiram Sucharpita Vimochitam Sa Hatmaja Vibho Tvayevan Natena Muhur Vipadganath. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Jagannath. Thank you so much. Very nicely recite. Yes, Prathamesh, go ahead, Prathamesh.
Yes, Mataji. So in Kunti Vacha, Lord Krishna says, Kunti Maharani says, I offer my obeisances unto Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and you do not exist in the material world or within or without everything. Yet you are invisible to all.
Thank you. Thank you. You can go ahead the sloka recitation.
Kunti Uvacha Namaste Purusham Tvadyam Ishwaram Prakate Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam Antarbahiravastitam Maya Javanika Channam Agya Doshijamavyam Nalakshya Se Muditrisha Nato Natya Dharo Yatha Tatha Param Hansanam Muninam Amalatmanam Bhakti Yoga Vidhanartham Katham Paschemi Istriya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namah Namo Pankajanabhaya Namo Pankajamaline Namo Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangre Yatha Rishikesha Khalena Devaki Kamsena Radhati Chiram Sucharpita Vimochita Hamsa Sahatmaja Vibho Tvavevanathena Mohar Vipadganath. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Who want to go next? Anybody would like to go next?
Krishna wants to go, Mataji.
Go ahead, Krishna.
यथा ऋषिकेशकालेन देवकी कंसेन रुदति चिरं सुचर्पिता विमो विमो विमोचिताहं च सहात्मजो विभो त्ववैव नाते मुहुर्विपद्गणात्. Thank you, Mataji. Other students, can I read?
Yes, thank you, Krishna. Thank you. Anybody would like to go? Okay, thank you, kids. Just I will pick one kids who have idea of this translation.
Hello.
Yeah, who is this?
Brinda.
Brinda, go ahead, Brinda.
Kunti uvacha namasye purusham tvadyam ishvara prakate param alasyam sarva bhutanam ante bahir avastitam maya javalikachanam agdadoksharam avyayam na lakshaye Mura darsha nato natarorata tata parahamsanam munim alakmanam bhakti yoga vidanatam katam pachenitira Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namah Namo Pankajanabhaya Namo Pankajamarile Namo Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangraye.
Thank you so much, Brinda.
Kalena Devaki Kamsaena Udarichiram Ripita Vimochita Cha Sahamasa Ja Vibu Tvayeva Nate Muhur Vipadgana. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Brinda. Thank you so much. Anybody? Who is this?
Gayatri.
Go ahead. Thank you so much, Karthik. Any kids is remaining to share the sloka?
Mataji, can Haridas tell the translation of the sloka?
Yes. You just tell all the summary, okay? Just as a summary, all the sloka. Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to kids practice the translation also same time and share in the group, okay? Yes, Haridas. How many of you know?
Mataji, I'll just say the translation, okay?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. I'll just tell for Yata Rishikesha.
Okay.
Kunti is saying, my Lord of all the senses and Lord of Lords, you have released your mother Devaki, who was imprisoned by the envious king Kamsa, and you have even saved us from series of constant danger and my children. Thank you, Mataji.
you so much, Haridas. Thank you so much. Any kids like to share the translation or sloka? They can come forward.
Hello?
Hare Krishna, who is this? Who is this?
Gayatri.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Oh, Rishikesha, master of the senses and the Lord of lords, you have released your mother Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious King Kamsa and me and my children from a series of constant dangers.
Thank you so much, kids. Today we'll learn this sloka. Please let me know any kids is remaining to share their sloka. If anybody didn't get chance, please let me know. Okay. You read karo tha? Yes, read karo, you read. Okay, we'll read the translation first for today's sloka, and then Asra will share some story today. Asra related to the sloka. I'll just read the translation and same. My dear Krishna, your Lordship has protected us from the poison cake, from a great fire, from last time also she shared some of the past time from this, but today we can Asustama's first time she can share, from cannibals, from the vicious assembly, from suffering during our exile in the forest, and from the battle where great general fought. And now you have saved us from the weapon of Asustama. Yes, just now Uttara was saved by Krishna, means Parikshit Maharaj. Was in the womb of the Uttara. That is story, and also how Draupadi got said Draupadi whole Pandavas they saved in the jungle. How Krishna saved from the Rishi, yes, Durvasa Muni's Rishi. That too is story Asra will say. Yes, yes, go ahead, Asra.
So the first pastime is about how Duryodhana wanted Duryodhana wanted Pandavas like to suffer, and one time Durvasa Muni came to his house, and Duryodhana thought Durvasa Muni has a very short temper, and if I send them, and he loves to eat food, and if I send him to Pandava's house when they don't have any food, because Draupadi has this magical pot that whenever she's like any guests come, she can make as much food as she wants and give it to the guests, but the pot will not work after she has eaten. So Duryodhana wanted to send Durvasa Muni to Pandava's house after they had eaten, after Draupadi has eaten, so she won't he'll get angry and curse them. So that's what after Durvasa Muni ate at Duryodhana's house, and he was very pleased, and he asked Duryodhana, what boon do you want? And Duryodhana said, I only want you to go to Pandava's house and eat food from there too, because they're my brothers. So Durvasa Muni is like, oh, you're such a kind-hearted person. So he goes to the Pandava's house, and he was greeted by the Yudhishthir, and the Durvasa Muni goes, I would like to eat food now. I will go and take a bath, and then after my bath, I would like to come and eat at your house. So Yudhishthir goes and tells Draupadi, but Draupadi had already eaten, and so she could not make any more food again. And so they start praying to Krishna, and Krishna understands their prayer, and he comes and he says, oh, Draupadi, I'm so hungry, give me something to eat. And Draupadi's like, but I've already eaten all the food that's in the plate, and after I eat that food, I can't make more. So then Krishna's like, it's okay, there's probably a little something in there. So then he goes, and there's this little grain of rice left, and he eats it, and he's like, oh, now I'm fully satisfied. And when Krishna ate that one grain of rice, Durvasa Muni and all his followers, they were also very full, and they realized, oh, we cannot eat any more at all, we're so full, and how can we go to the Pandavas' house now? They'll find a very disrespectful food. They cooked all that food for us, and we can't go and eat it. And so Durvasa Muni and his disciples ran away because they were so full because Krishna made them full. But because Draupadi was praying.
That's how Krishna saved them, yes. Now how Aswastama is, there is another pastime also you can relate, how Aswastama from Aswastama Sastra.
So Uttara was the wife of Abhimanyu, right? And she had King Parikshit in her womb that time, and Ashwatthama wanted to kill the whole entire Pandava dynasty. He wiped them all out. So he takes the Brahmastra and he tries to hit Uttara and her baby. But then Uttara sees what's happening, so she starts praying to Krishna very sincerely, and Krishna comes and stops the weapon.
Yeah, and then he saw Krishna in his home.
Yeah.
Do you have any question or comment regarding these two stories? Are you all okay? Or if anybody want to share any pastime related to that, that is also welcome. Okay, kids? You know any means Aswastama further more pastime, you can tell me. Otherwise, we can go to the sloka, this today's sloka. What is this application? Something is coming here anyway. Okay, I'll do in the phone. Can you repeat after me, all of you? Bisan Mahagne.
Bisan Mahagne.
Bisan Mahagne.
Bisan Mahagne.
Bisan Mahagne.
Bisan Mahagne.
Purusada Darsanad. Purusada Darsanad. Bisan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad.
Bisan Mahagne Purusada
Bisan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad.
Bisan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad.
Bisan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad. Asat Savaya. Asat Savaya. Asat Savaya. Vanavasa Kritcharit. Kritsrataha. Vanavasa Kritsrit. Asat Savaya. Vanavasa Kritsrit. Vanavasa Kritsrit. Mride Mride Neka. Mride Mride Neka. Mride Mride Neka. Maharathasrato. Maharathasrato. Mride Mride Neka. Maharathasrato. Maharathasrato. द्रोण्ययास्त्रतस् द्रोण्ययास्त्रतस् तास्मा हरे विरक्षिता द्रोण्ययास्त्रतस् हरे कृष्णा द्रोण्ययास्त्रतस् तास्मा हरे विरक्षिता तास्मा हरे विरक्षिता It's a difficult Sanskrit word, but when we practice, it will come. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad Asat Savaya Asat Savaya Vanavasa Kitsrit Vanavasa Kitsrit Mride Mride Neka Mride Mride Neka Dronyastratasasma 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 Tasma Tasma Hari Virakshita Hari Virakshita Okay, we can do more practice. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad Asat Savaya Vanavasa Kritsaratsa Asat Savaya Vanavasa Kritsarataha Asat Savaya Vanavasa Kritsarataha
असत् सभया वनवासकृच्छिता
मृदे मृदिका
मृदे मृदिरेका
मृदे मृदिका
मृदे मृदिरेका
महारथस्तत्रो महारथस्तत्रो मृदे महारथस्त्रतो द्रोण्यास्त्रतस्तस्मा द्रोण्यास्त्रतस्मा द्रोण्यास्त्रतस्मा हरिविरक्षितः Okay, last time I will do, and then anybody want to try, they can go ahead. Okay. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darshanat. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darshanat. Visan Purusada Darshanat. Asat Savaya Vanavas Kritsharatah. Asat Savaya Vanavas Kritsharatah. Mride Mride Neka Maharathasttrato. Mride Mride Neka Maharathasttrato. Mride Mride Neka Maharathasttrato. Mride Mride Neka Maharathasttrato. Dronyastratasasma harivirachita.
द्रोणे वस्त्रात्र कस्यमा
Dronyastratasasma harivirachita.
द्रोण्या अत्र सम्या हरे विरक्षतः
Dronyastrat. Yeah, there is something is there in the. I don't know how this things came. I don't know. Okay, okay. Dronastratasasma harivirachitah.
द्रोण्या समान विरक्षतः
Okay, one time more. Okay, it will get more confidence. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsanad.
विशामहाग्नेय पुरुषाददासेन
Asat Savaya Vanavas Kritsharatah.
तत्सभया वनवास कृच्छयतः
अससवाया वनवासकृत्सरतः
अत्सत्सभयान वनवासकृच्छयतः
मृदे मृदेनैकमहारथास्त्रतो
मृदे मृदे अनेकमहारथस्त्रो
मृदे मृदेनैकमहारथास्त्रतो
मृदे मृदे अनेकमहारथस्त्रो
द्रोण्यास्त्रतः स्म हरिविरक्षितः द्रोण्यास्त्रतः स्म हरिविरक्षितः. Okay, I hope you, I will read the translation. Asra also share. Means, my dear king, your lordship has protected us from the poison cake, from the great fire, from the cannibals, from the vicious assembly, from the suffering during our exile in the forest, and from the battle where great general fought. And now you have saved us from the weapon of Aswasthama. Yes, you know, Kunti Maharani is praying from the beginning. She is praying to Krishna. How Krishna, you are the supreme personality of Godhead. You are everywhere. You are beyond this material world, and it's very difficult to understand you. Yes, you are playing as a ordinary people like us. You are just like Kunti Maharani is telling in the drama how people come in different means dress up. You also came in like that, but you are the supreme personality of Godhead. How I, woman, can understand you? Yes, because great personality Munis, they meditate upon you, your lotus feet, but how can I understand? And then she started pray. She is praying like, you are the son of Vasudev, you are giving pleasure to cow, and then Nanda Maharaj and Gopas. Yes, and then also she was telling your body is like full of lotus. You are wearing the lotus flower, you're from abdomen lotus flower coming up, and then also you are he was glorifying the Krishna's body. And then before sloka also, this sloka and before sloka, how she is, you are the master of the senses, Rishikesa. Yes, means master of the senses, Krishna, you are you only give all the things, means whatever we see, hear, everything all came from Krishna. You know, he only gave us that facility. You are the master of the senses, and you release your mother. How he released his mother from the prison. Yes, how he killed the Kamsa and he released Devaki from the prison. And also he was telling and how you saved my child Constantine. Now here is telling how poison cake did, how Dronacharya, not Dronacharya, Duryodhana, they were planning so much to kill him, and then also he saved by this, and then also they saved from the forest fire. That is, and also they were saved from the Rishi Durvasa Muni's course, and also now Kunti Maharani is telling, you also saved our means Uttara's son Parikshit Maharaj, how you wanted to kill that Uttara's son, and then also that is also you saved us. Means he is praying in that way. He is addressing to Krishna, how you are protected, always give the you always give the protection to us. Yes, how we also, now we all have to pray to Krishna in any difficulty come in our life. Krishna, you are so kind, please help us. We have to make a habit. One time in the class also, one Prabhuji was mentioning, we have to make a habit that praying to Krishna, Krishna, you save me in that way, you saved me in that way. You know, today I have that difficulty in my school, and I was, my grade was very low, or my friend was angry, or in different ways. Everybody has a problem according to their small kids also has problem. We have also problem. Everybody have a problem, but we will just come in front of Krishna. How Kunti Maharani is praying to Krishna, Krishna, you are this, you saved us so many ways. Like that, we also come in front the altar. These prayers actually I am teaching you. Even myself wanted to learn these prayers and go in front of Krishna and pray. You know, this is authorized prayers. Sometimes we don't know what to pray to Krishna. I don't know any prayers. I know only something, my small things, but I don't know the prayers. And then that time our Acharya said, you can pray these prayers. You can just repeat. You just go in front of the altar and then you just repeat, and then you will develop, we will also develop same mood of Kunti Maharani by reciting these prayers every day. I will just request all of you are learning this sloka, not for the learning, you know, you have to come in front of the altar and then you have to say all the sloka, whichever sloka you learn, you come in front of the altar and then you just start Konteya Vasa Namase Purusam Todhyam. Means slowly every day when you recite this sloka, what happened, Krishna will understand your mood. Oh, he has this problem, and then he's so nicely, sincerely praying this Kunti Maharani's prayers. Immediately when you all kids pray these prayers in front of Krishna, Krishna will remember his favorite devotee Kunti Maharani, and then he will say, oh, this Kunti Maharani is my very favorite devotee. And then this like just like I can take Haridas, Jagannath, Janvi, Brinda, you know, and Krishna immediately remember you, how Brinda is praying for me in the mood of, and he will give that mercy, how much mercy he gave to Kunti Maharani, that mercy will give to us also. Okay, just you have to pray this that every week we are repeating all the slokas. Otherwise I can teach every week one sloka, but we are also practicing and repeating, so you can got you will get the memorization and then you can pray, have it making a habit of praying, you know. Even that Gajendra Moksha, Gajendra Elephant was praying, even he was in animal body, he had that memorization. He learned some sloka in previous life and then he could pray that sloka like that. This all the sloka, it will remain in our mind. When you sincerely learn this sloka, it will remain in our mind, and then whenever difficulty come, we go in front of Krishna and then Krishna please, and then you say your problem and he started, and you can also do this these prayers also. Okay, thank you so much all the kids. If you have any story, anything related to this sloka, you can also share, and you can also do, anybody want to do this sloka, because these are very hard word. Even for me also it's very hard sometimes. It's definitely it's very hard for you. I hope you will get some idea, and anybody want to share this sloka, they can go ahead.
Sai Mataji.
Sai, go ahead, Sai. Yeah.
Hi. Visan Mahajana Purushad Darshanad Asat Sabya Vanavasa Kuchayat Mrude Aneka Maharatastrataha Draunya Astrat Samya Hari Hara.
I don't know what is there. Yeah. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsana. I don't know what is there kind of things blocking the sloka actually. I don't know what happened to.
Yeah, Mataji. Last time also for Sitapriti Mataji's class, it happened like this. This is also one kind of annotation, I guess, Mataji.
Yeah, it is very
We
bad.
have to find out. Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Are there any
Hare Krishna Machati, can I say the sloka?
Who is this?
This is Krishna and Govardhan group.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, Machati. Visan Mahagne Purusada Darsana Asat Sabhaya Vanavasa Krichrata Mrude Neka Maharitastro Trato Draumi Astratas Chasma Hare Virakshitaha.
Thank you. Who is this?
This is Krishna Chaitanya.
Very nice, Krishna Chaitanya. Yeah. Anybody want to try?
Parikshit.
Yeah, Rishikesh and Parishit and also Asutosh is coming. Yeah, go ahead.
विशालाग्ने पुरुषाद दर्शनाद असत् सभाय वनवास कृच्छतः मृदे मृदे अनेक महारथस्त्रतो द्रौणी अस्त्रतश्चस्म हरे अभिरक्षिताः. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Yes, go ahead.
विषान्महाग्ने पुरुषाददर्शनाद् असत्सभाया वनवासकृच्छतः मृधे मृधेनेकमहारथस्त्रतो द्रोण्यस्त्रतश्च स्म हरेभिरक्षिताः. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Ashutosh, can I say?
Yes, go ahead, Asutosh.
Visamana Ange Purusha Ala Darsanad Asat Sabhaya Vanavasa Chittaran Mride Mride Nekamahara Sto Drunaya Astratas Kasma Hare Viharkina.
Thank you so much. Anybody want to try?
Me, Pranav.
Yes, Pranav, go ahead.
Lines, Mataji.
Yes, 2 line is fine. Good.
Vishan. Mataji, can Haridas go?
Yes, after that, Haridas can go ahead. Yes.
Vishan Mahena Mahaganina Purushad Darshanad Asat Sabaya Vanavasa Kricharata. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Pranav. Thank you so much. Yes, Haridas, go ahead. Haridas?
Vishan Mahagne Purushad Darshanad Asat Sabhaya Vanavasha Krichrata Mride Mride Neka Maharata Trato Dronyastarastashasma Hare Virakshita. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, kids. You can practice. We'll send the recording on the group. And then also, any kids, I will take 2 kids. So you can read the translation at home. And you can also say just as a summary, all the, just combine as a summary, what do you understand. Big kids can do that. Small kids is difficult. We will teach at home, maybe parents help, just a small meaning for the every sloka, but a little bigger Govinda kids or Madhava kids, they can read the translation and get the summary of the reading altogether slokas. Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you all the kids for joining.
Thank you, Mataji. The class was very nice.
Thank you.
The class was also very nice and Thank you, Mataji. The class was Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you for
Hare
coming.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Bye, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Bye.
Viga Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Why do? Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everyone. Mataji, anyway, stop here.
I can stop, Mataji. I'll stop.
Bye, Anjana Govinda Mataji.